This video here is going to be going through the Neuropathy Nutrition Kit. So that'll be the supplements and dietary aspects that we use. Now, if you have the combined Neuropathy Gut Health Kit or you're just gut health, those are going to be different videos, so look for those because there's modifications with that. So on this one, inside this box, first of all, you've got the guidebook. Guidebook's a great thing while you're doing your therapies, your home equipment treatment, to look through and read and reference good information in terms of what we're trying to achieve with this process. On page 6 and 7, there's an overview of what I'm going to go through in terms of what to take when. And then on the next page, more of a daily snapshot, giving you kind of an overview of the whole day. On the equipment pages, in terms of what you're doing from an equipment standpoint, we've recently updated that. So refer to the videos or what we've told you in office instead of this, but it still has some good information to reference there. There's also the food list. Today, we're going to go through the supplements and the NeuroSoothe. So NeuroSoothe is a great cream. I've never been like a big cream person, but people love this stuff, not only for the decrease in pain, burning, and things like that it provides from a soothing standpoint, but use this even if your problem is just numbness, because what this does is help drive that nitric oxide, the vasodilation, opening up those blood vessels, so then the nerves are able to get the oxygen and nutrients and blood flow that it needs to heal. So rub that on, just a little nickel size on the affected areas twice a day. Then you've got a shaker cup. What you're going to do is take 1 scoop of the greensberry and 1 scoop of the VasoPro Plus. There's little scoopers inside here. Take 1 of each, drop it in here, and then only about 8 to 12 ounces of water. You can feel that out to see what you like best. Cold water for this one works best. Shake that up. Some people like the powders together. Other people do like to do them separate, so you can try that and see which way you prefer. But most people, I think, just do it together. Just get it in and done with. Don't use too much water because then that's just more liquid to drink, which isn't a problem, but it just can bog people down a little bit. Then lastly, there's the Inflamex. And with this, you want to do 2 droppers under the tongue. Now, a dropper full is whatever you squeeze and it sucks up. So it's not going to be completely full, but whatever it sucks up, do 2 of those underneath the tongue. Try to let it sit under the tongue for 20 to 30 seconds. That really helps with the absorption. So lastly, you've got the 2 droppers. Mostly it's going to be 2 droppers twice a day. Same with the mixtures here. 1 scoop of each, but then twice a day. In another video, we'll go through the beauty of these supplements and why they're going to help decrease the inflammation, decrease the oxidative stress, give the body the building blocks that it needs to regenerate the blood vessels and the nerves and get the neuropathy healed and regenerated the way that you want. Thanks.